Hi, I'm Lilith, just your average, everyday girl. Hey there, here's your donut. I figured today it'd be just another boring old day until something totally out of left field happened. Shit. Wow. No work tomorrow. Wait. Is this hell? What on earth is this outfit? A key? Perhaps all the answers lie in that ancient castle. Whoa, automatic door. Hello? Is anyone here? Is this cosplay?
Breaking into my castle in the dead of night. Have you come to deliver dinner?
Cut it out! This isn't funny at all. I'm sorry for hitting you, but it's because you scared me. This dump's got no signal at all. Can't even vent on Instagram.
What's this glowing square? Is it some kind of witchcraft item?
Never mind, total relic. No signal, but this gothic backdrop photo's great. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Help me look good here.
Count's honor. Stuck with this.
This meat's way too fresh. You eat this all these years?
You just don't get good food. The kitchen must have ketchup.
Take me now.
Humans' word fixation on sauces. Same energy as vampires craving blood.
Oh, my necklace. Wait, did you travel back with me too? No way. How can they be the same?
300 years ago, my engagement necklace broke in two, and the other half disappeared with my fiancé.
This necklace has been with me since I was a kid. What on earth is going on here? This necklace is exactly the same.
You're a descendant of Ella's bloodline. The ancient texts say, when the blood moon rises and the necklaces unite, the time portal opens only then. Can you return to your era?
So I'm her descendant? This single-winged necklace is the token she left me?
Looks like the black robes are onto us.
We have to go.
Robes.
Didn't expect a moonlight bloodliner today. Your time ends here.
Guard the necklace. Go!
No one can leave.
I found you.
I often find myself wondering if it was just a dream. I'm still living the same routine day in and day out. Yet somehow, something feels different. are, sir. Your donut. Sorry, we're already closed.
Never mind. I just popped in for a glass of red.
This isn't a historic castle, sir.